This is Atticus. Atticus lives on a water world. Don't know much about him. He's 42 inches tall from his head to the bottom of his feet. The head is carved out of wood. The horns are all carved out of wood. The eyes are acrylic. They do not move. His hands are carved out of wood. And his feet are carved out of wood. The outfit is handmade. If you wanted to buy clothes from him, you could get 4T or 5T would fit. Okay. We have the back cut out so you can get your hand in there, in and out. The body is a wood frame covered in cloth. The legs and the arms are stuffed. The head here has a ring lever, which I find works very well with your finger or your thumb. It's whichever you prefer and whichever you use. You can use left or right-handed. I find this works best out of everything that I've tried. The wig here is stapled on. So if you ever have to make repairs, what you do is you take this wig off. There's a screw on each side here holding this in. You unscrew that and then this back piece will come off. That way you can get inside if you ever have to replace the string or if your spring breaks or something. You can get inside to do that. But if you're interested in him, you can contact him on my Facebook page, Daniel Cosno. If you have any questions, you can ask me there also. If you want to see how I make my figures, you can go on my YouTube page, Daniel Cosno, and I take you step by step through all the steps to be able to carve your own figure. So he's available. If you're interested, contact me. Thanks for watching.